Well, many of you probably seen my videos on my mom's 2008 Suzuki Forenza. I've cranked her up a couple times, and actually she did start up a lot this year. And over the years I've been filming this car, but today actually she's a little snowed up. I need to clear her off, and I'm gonna try and pop the hood and fix the spring that is all like stuck. It's causing the hood to stick. So I'm gonna try and crank her up, and while she runs I'll clean her off, and I will give her a few revs while once I get done cleaning her off. I got a little cup of vegetable oil with me here today. So anyways, what the fuck? Come on. Come on, you bastard. Come on. Come on, you bastards. Freaking let me start her. Arrgh. There we go. Holy shit. 118,581 miles. Shit. Good thing she started. Fucking move it back up once I get done. Do a little rev. Alright. Hang on. Okay, my phone's gonna stick in there until I get done shoveling. So, bear with me for this moment while you can, guys. Okay? Shit. Come on, stay. Case is gonna rip. Give me a second, guys. Should work now. Okay. Oh yeah, it works. Alright, now to go brush you off. she's all done. Now I just gotta go get a friend of mine, and I'm gonna try and get the hood popped with him. I'll be right back, fellas. Okay, I just asked my friend if he could help, so we're gonna do this while we can. The latch is underneath the middle.
That what?
The latch in there is underneath the middle. Alright, you ready? Alright. Grab that. Grab my camera. Alright, here we go.
We got, okay, I got it.
There's the spring. There it is.
Yeah, don't worry about that spring. That's not what's holding it. This is right here.
Oh, this is?
Yeah.
Alright.
That is what's holding it. Because that's locking it. This is working just fine.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, that can be down there. It's a problem.
Alright, thanks, buddy.
Thanks, buddy. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Yep, see ya. I will. Got a 1.6 liter V6. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and give her a couple of reps, like 2 for instincts. Alright. Shut her off. Shit, I gotta fix this. Alright. What the fuck? Come on. Are you fucking kidding? Son of a bitch. Now I can't even lock the car. My key fob's dead. You bastard. Come on. Ah! Stay tuned for my next video, guys.